Hey guys, thanks for joining me again. This is your girl Phoenix Alexander. Okay, so I have a fun video for you today. A nice, affordable slay. Okay, that's what we need right now. Affordable, quick. So I purchased the U-part wig from this company on Amazon. I love Amazon because number one, you get your stuff in a few days. Number two, if you're dissatisfied, you can send it back rather quickly without a whole bunch of to do about it. They just give you your money back. But number three, for the most part, I haven't had like any horrible experiences with Amazon vendors. So this company, I'm pretty sure it's not a word that you say, it's just letters. So it's Nvnvdij hair. So I purchased their U-part wig in 20 inches. And I believe it's a Brazilian straight. It doesn't say on the information card what I have, but just to go over the packaging really quickly, because this is going to be a quick video. It came in this pink bag, and inside of the bag I had my U-part wig, which came in this plastic bag that just denotes the inches. So it says right on the bag 20 inches. And also you will receive weaving that cap. Excuse me. And I know everybody goes gaga for the stocking caps, but I personally love these breathable mesh caps. At the end of the day, you're going to put foundation, bleach knots, the whole 9 yards. So to me, it doesn't really matter what kind of cap I have underneath, but that's just me. And this is super breathable. It's easier on my hair. So I prefer these. So thank you for giving me the wig cap. It will get used. And I also received these lashes, and I'm going to take them out of the plastic so you guys can actually see. But these are nice. I would actually wear these. They have a nice flare and spaciness to them. So yeah, I will wear these. These are cute. So thanks again for the gifts included. So I purchased this on during the Prime Day event. So I did get like $7 off, but y'all, this was so expensive. Like under $90 expensive. I want to say I spent $89 for this 20-inch U-part wig. So, excuse my wig head, she goes through a lot. So this was supposed to be, or is, 2 inches across and 4 inches back. It looks wider than the 2 inches because I have it spaced out on this cap, but it's definitely 2 inches. I measured it and the hair. And this is a 20-inch wig. And it's exactly 20 inches. It has a very natural density, so I'm very happy with it. There's no space in between the tracks. It feels like there is maybe a bundle and a half sewn into this wig, single wefted, but very close together. So yeah, no gaps. I'm happy with it. I dyed it jet black. When it came in a definite true 1B color. I didn't see much in the way of gray hairs or anything like that. But I really wanted to dye my hair black. I've been dying to do that, so that's what I did. Girl, wait your turn. We're gonna get back to you. Some people are just too eager. So all I did, you guys, was braid my hair in a quick little pattern. And I did lay down some little baby hairs or whatever. Watch out, Kiki. She's like right at my feet, y'all. Come say hi. Say hi, Keeps. She's so fat right now. She ate way too much food, a bunch of kibbles that I put like this salmon pate on top. So homegirl is in her own world. But yeah, so for my braiding pattern, I just did a small braid on this side going around, a small braid on this side going around, just so that the combs, I would have somewhere to put the combs. And then I just have 2 braids on each side. So 6 in total. And I'm gonna turn around so you can see. I don't know what the back looks like, y'all, but I didn't care because it's going under the wig. So here are my braids, and I think I just pulled them up and pinned them or whatever. I don't remember, and I don't know how I look, y'all. But I did lay down my little baby hairs, and this is just some hair that I have out just in case I need it. I don't know. But yeah, so we're gonna get into putting this on. So here's how I did my U for the U part. And afterwards, I tried the unit on, and it was pretty spot on as far as the space that I created. So we're gonna get into that, straighten out my leave out, and that should be it. Thick bands, I guess, just to hold the shape of the unit or whatever. Inside, let me just show you guys the cap. You're probably interested in that, I would be. So inside, you have the clamp combs that you would see on clip-ons. And it looks like there's 4. So there's 2 on each side. There is no comb on the back part right here. I just noticed that, so I might add a comb myself. I don't know, I'll see how this fits, how secure I feel about it. There are also some combs right here on the side, an adjustable strap, and a comb in the back. So this is the whole unit. And it's on like a mesh type of breathable cap. And you can see how close together the tracks are. So I think they did an amazing job with the creation of the actual wig. So far the hair seems really nice. It took to the color well. I didn't have any issues with it. No shedding. And when I say no shedding, I mean like I got 2 strands. So let me not lie outright, but you know. I know I'm chewing this gum like crazy, but I haven't really eaten much today, and this is just kind of fooling my mouth a little bit. Like, oh, food's coming. It's coming, girl. It's not coming. But we're not gonna tell my stomach that it's not coming. All right, so I'm just gonna cut off these elastic bands, and you want to do this as close to the track as possible without actually, you know, cutting into it, obviously. So I cut this off. Here's our opening. So what I'm gonna do, I've already tightened my drawstrings pretty much as close as I can get them to that comb. And I'm gonna open up all these clips. So you literally just go back and forth. So you just pop it out to open up the teeth. So now you can see they're open, and I'll be able to slide them into my hair. And I'm just gonna open up all 4 of those. Oh yeah, this is gonna fit just fine. So I'm gonna slip this first comb in over here, and I'm just gonna kind of slip that into that cornrow that I created. Snap it closed. Then I'm going to insert this other comb. Snap that puppy closed. And I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other side. In the corner. Yeah, I would have preferred it definitely if I had gotten 1 more comb just to secure that that back loop. But yeah, that easy. All right, so she's on. And she feels pretty secure. I would, it's so weird having black hair again. But yeah, she feels pretty secure. The cap is still just a little big, so I'm gonna have to figure out, you know, what alterations I can make. But for right now, you know, it's workable. I probably feel more secure if I actually sewed it down, but that defeats the purpose of having something that I can clip on and off. So I'm just gonna show you where it lands on me real quick. Right at the boobs. So yeah, perfect natural length with this black. So I'm just gonna take out my leave out now. And I like to use this Tresemme Keratin Smooth as a heat treatment. We'll give these little ends a touch, you know. All right, so to do this, I'm going to be using my hot comb, my flat iron, heat protectant, and a comb. But that's it. So now this heat protectant in, you definitely want to make sure you give it a chance to dry. You don't want to apply heat to your hair while it's still damp. And I just colored it yesterday, so I'm super excited. And yeah, oh, this would have been cute in the side part too, y'all. Yeah, I think I just like this black. I think what it is, I think I just like the black. To the point where I don't think I could go wrong regardless of where I place this part. But damn, now I think I want a side part. Whatever, let's just see how this goes. So I'm gonna be one of those people today. Those people who don't really know what they want. Okay, now let's try the middle. Like it's a lace front or something. I think I'm feeling the smell. So I'm gonna comb some of this hair towards the back, just so I already, you know, have my set amount that I'm gonna leave back there. They're both good. All right, I'm gonna do it like I intended to begin with. So I didn't leave much hair out, as you guys can see. Just gonna use my flat iron. And I really just didn't want to spend a lot of money on this unit. But here's the hair all straightened out. And you can't see, I might get a little closer to my roots, but you know, you can't see any clips or lumps or bumps or anything. It looks extremely natural. I'm very happy with this purchase. But yeah, guys, that is it. Slayed in under 20 minutes. Okay, what more do you want? What more do you want, sis? Under 20 minutes. Like, yes, before you go to work and just clip this bad boy in. Most of the time was actually spent in me doing my leave out, but if I was already prepared, very happy. So let's read off these letters again. So Nvnvdij hair, great job. You did a great job. I'm loving this shit. Great job. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. I will be back with you guys probably later on the week with some tomfoolery or something of mine. If you like these nails, these are my design. This is the Caught the Vapor set, and you can find them on at my Etsy shop, PheenixPhireNails. The link will be down below. Thanks again. Like, comment, subscribe. You know, let me know what y'all want to see. Makeup looks, hair looks, blah, blah. We can do it. So, catch you next time. Bye. Wanna say bye, Keeps? Wanna say bye to the peoples on the interwebs? Hi, interweb people. All right, stop looking at my hair.